Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm using the stamp set called Lovely Inside and Out, along with the Lovely Word Thinlit dies and the Memories and More Color Theory card pack. So I've just die cut the hugs out of a thick Whisper White card base, and I'm just removing the negative pieces from that die cut. I love the way these dies work. They're so cool. They are retiring, however, so you may want to get your hands on them. They are called Lovely Words. So here's my Memories and More Color Theory pack, and I just love this little stripy piece of card, and I also like this green and yellow striped one, but I decided on the more colorful one to go behind my die cut window. So I'm just using a little bit of Tombow multi-purpose glue, and I just went a very little amount where the word was and also just around the circle. And of course, wet glue takes a minute to dry, so you just have to apply a little bit of pressure. So now I have some fast fuse and a piece of Whisper White card, and I've just attached that to the inside of the card so nothing looks ugly and out of place. So here's a strip of Whisper White thin card stock. I've treated it with my embossing buddy, and now I have inked my Sending You sentiment stamp up with Versamark ink, and I am sprinkling on gold embossing powder. Now, as I was looking at this, I wanted to have just a very touch of gold, like an outline of gold at the very bottom of my sentiment strip. So I dragged it across the Versamark pad, and then I added some more embossing powder to it. So there you go. I'm just heating the sentiment, melting the embossing powder. So I'm using some foam strips here for the sentiment. This gives you the double height of the dimensionals, the normal dimensionals. So it is going to be popped up quite a bit. And I did cut that little strip down just a touch. Now, looking at it here, I didn't really like the overhang, so I'm cutting it off. And like on a simple card like this, you really have to be very specific on where you're putting your sentiment. If it's crooked, you are going to notice it. So I fussed a little bit with this, just making it absolutely perfect. So, or what I felt looked good. Adhered everything down, and then used my bone folder to make a perfect crease. And then I pulled out my glitter enamel dots. These two are retiring, so I'm trying to use this pack up. And I chose one of each of the colors, well, minus the green. So that's my card for today. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll catch you again soon. Bye. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.